Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your maths class. Class 5th, subject mathematics, chapter 6. Name of the chapter is time and this is our lecture 3. Today we will continue the topic which we have started in the previous lecture, operations involving time. So this is our subtopic. Operations involving time. Today we will do questions of exercise 6D. Okay. So let's start with our topic. Question number 1 of exercise 6D. Find the sum. A part we have done in lecture 2. Now I will take C part. 1 hour 25 minutes 19 seconds. Plus 3 hours 42 minutes 8 seconds. And next is 1 hour 18 minutes 25 seconds. In book it is written 1H. Don't write H. You will write R. By mistake it is there. So now we have to add these. Write down units first. Hours, minutes, seconds. 1 hour, 25 minutes and how many seconds? 19 seconds. 3 hours, 42 minutes, 8 seconds. So you write 08, not 80. 1 hour, 18 minutes, 25 seconds. We have to do addition, so put plus sign here. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 2 and 2 here. Okay. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 1 carry. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1 carry 8. And 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. देखिए बेटा 3 hours 24 hours से कम है. 52 seconds 60 seconds से कम है. No conversion is needed. But here 85 minutes. We all know 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. You know this? So we will break it. 60 plus 25. And this 60 minute will make 1 hour. We'll shift it to hour. 85 को आपने दो टुकड़ों में बांटा. 60 मिनट प्लस 25 मिनट. 60 मिनट 1 घंटा बनता है. यहाँ शिफ्ट हो गया. Left only 25. Now do addition again. 52. No changes here. So write 52 only. Here we have 25 minutes. And here 5 plus 1, 6. So what is our answer? 6 hours 25 minutes and 52 seconds. Got it? And this way you will do conversion if it is needed. It is not necessary that you will do here only. अगर आपको रफ में कैलकुलेट करना है, you can solve here also. 85 minutes is equal to 60 minutes plus 25 minutes. Then 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour plus 25 minutes. This also you can do in rough column. It's your wish. Next I'm going to take question 1, D part. And the sum 2 months, 2 weeks and 5 days plus 3 months, 5 weeks, week है सप्ताह. So write the correct spelling, WEEK, 2 days plus 1 month, 3 week and 7 days. So now see. Now we have the question with months, weeks and days. So write down months, weeks and days. First 2 months, 2 weeks, 5 days. Next is 3 months, 5 weeks and 2 days. Last one is 1 month, 3 weeks, 7 days. Add this. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 7, 14. Don't write here 4 और 1 यहाँ पे. No, ये days हैं. Separately आप करेंगे add. Weeks separately, months separately. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 months. No change will be there. 14 days. डेज कब चेंज हो गए? जब 30 डेज हो जाएंगे, 31 डेज हो जाएंगे. 30 डेज पे हम चेंज करते हैं 1 मंथ. ओके, यस. अब यहाँ पे 14 डेज हैं. Now beta, what we will do? 14 days. These are 2 weeks. 7 plus 7. This will become 2 weeks. We'll shift here. As we know that 7 days is equal to 1 week. You have to write this. Okay, so these will shift. And now here it is left 0 only because सारा का सारा 14 shift हो गया. 0 days. Now 12 weeks and here 6 months. 12 weeks. 12 weeks are 4 week plus 4 week plus 4 week. So 4 weeks are going to make 1 month. Right? So these will make 3 months. Now here we are getting 0 only. After that we will do again addition. 0 plus 0, 6 plus 3, 9. So our answer here is 9 months. Got it? In this way you will solve. So when you are going to do addition, then always be careful where conversion is needed. You will do conversion step by step. First of all, start conversion from here first. That is the days, which is the last column. Do conversion here if it is needed. If no, then come to the next column, then come to the next column. डोंट डू ऑल द कन्वर्जन्स टुगेदर, क्योंकि डेज जो बनेगा कन्वर्ट होके वो वीक बनेगा. देन वी विल कैलकुलेट द टोटल वीक्स एंड आफ्टर दैट वीक्स वर शिफ्टेड टू months. Do carefully these type of questions. Now next is question number 3. Question number 2 is of addition, which I will give you homework. Question 3 is subtract. A part, hours, minutes, seconds. It is given 9, 42, 32, 6, 25, 48. We have to subtract, right? Now better see in this question how you will do subtraction. 32 second minus 48 second. Not possible to subtract. So it will take 1 minute from here. 42 will become 41. 1 minute इधर shift हुआ. कितने seconds हो गए? 1 minute. How many seconds? 60 seconds. So 60 seconds are shifted. बोलो किया ना इसने? Plus 32 already थी हमारे पास. Total 92 seconds. Now you can do subtraction. 12 minus 8, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. 11 minus 5, 6. And 3 minus 2, 1. And 9 minus 6, 3. 3 hours, 16 minutes and 44 seconds is our answer. Right? In this way you can do subtraction. Now I will explain you how to do multiplication. Like first question is multiply. 3 weeks, 4 days. Beta, in your book many answers are wrong at the back. Okay. So do carefully. Don't think that the answer which is given at the back is always correct. You have to verify it. Now we have to do multiplication. Write here weeks and days. 3 weeks, 4 days, multiply by 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 3s are 15. But we have got 15 weeks, 20 days. We all know that 7 days is equal to 1 week. So 7 plus 7, 14. I am going to take here 14. Plus 6. This 14, 7 plus 7, 2 weeks. We'll shift here. Got it? What? How many days are left? 6 days and here 17 weeks. So this is your final answer at last. 17 weeks and 6 days. Okay. Question number 1D part. Hours, minutes and seconds are given now. 4 hours, 11 minutes, 42 seconds. Multiply by 5. Multiplication, 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20. Plus 1, 21. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. Right? Now look here, 210 seconds. 60 seconds will make 1 minute. So how many minutes are there which we can shift? 60 plus 60 plus 60, 180 plus 60, 240. 240 तक तो हमारे पास नहीं है, हमारे पास है 180 प्लस 210 में से 180 माइनस कर, फाइंड आउट योर आंसर 30. Now this 180, 60 minutes plus 60 minutes plus 60 seconds. 60 seconds plus 60 seconds plus 60 seconds. 3 minutes हो गए. 3 minutes will shift here. And how many seconds are left? 30 seconds are left. And here 5 plus 3. अब ऐड करना है. अब आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं करना. मल्टीप्लिकेशन we have already done. Now we are doing conversion. 5 plus 3, 8. And here 0. So 5 and 20. 58 minutes. अगर ये 60 minutes हो जाते हैं, only then we have to do shifting here by converting into hours. Now it is less than 60, so no conversion. So now this is your answer. 20 hours, 58 minutes and 30 seconds. Got it? And this way you will do first multiplication and then conversion if it is needed. Now I am going to take G part. Multiply 7 hours, 43 minutes, 55 seconds by 10. So hours, minutes, seconds, 7 hours, 43 minutes, 55 seconds multiplied by 10. Right? Now do multiplication. 10 5s are. One step में ही कर दीजिए बेटा इसको. Don't do in 2 steps. 10 5s are 50. 0. 10 5s are 50 plus 5. 55. 10 3s are 30. 3 will be taken as a carry. 10 4s are 40. 40 plus 3. 43. And now 10 7s are 70. 550 seconds we have to now convert into minutes. 550. We all know that 60 seconds will make 1 minute. Right? So divide it by 60. Because the number is big, that's why we can find out the answer by division also. 6 and 55. You all know 6 9s are 54. 69s are 540. So what you are getting here? 540 plus 10. 540. कितने मिनट बन जाएंगे? 9 minutes. We have got from here na 9 minutes and 10 seconds. Now 10 seconds are left. 0 plus 9 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. 3 plus 0 3. 4 plus 0 4. And here 70. Now minutes will be converted into hours. Okay. Again 439 divided by 60. Why? Because we know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 1 घंटे में 60 मिनट होते हैं, इसलिए हम इसको 60 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. Now 67s are 420. 7 hours 90 minutes. 420 plus 19. बेटा थोड़ा सा big है question. Understand carefully. Now, these are 7 hours. 10 is left, 19 and 77. Now look here beta, 77 hours. We all know that 24 hours is equal to 1 day. So 77 divided by 24. Let's find out how many days are there. 24 3s are 72. 3 days. Days are not given. You can consider it here. Or at last, you can write down your answer. 77 hours, 19 minutes, 10 seconds is equal to 3 days, 5 hours, 19 minutes and 10 seconds. This is your answer. Well, first of all, you will show shifting, then write down this. Now this is the answer. 3 days, 5 hours, 90 minutes, 10 seconds. Got it? Questions are lengthy but not difficult. When you start doing written practice, definitely you will be able to do. Now it's time to take homework. Your homework is to question number 2. A to C parts of exercise 6D. In book. In book space is provided. You can do calculation in your practice notebook and then write the answers in your book. Because conversions are there, so you will do in practice first and then write down your answer in book. Right? Now we will do homework discussion of lecture 2. In homework, question number 4 and 5 are given of exercise 6C. The question is in your book. You have already read and done. Seema says my birthday comes on 1st September 2012 and the Dussehra festival is on 25th October. How many days are there from 1st September to 25th October in the same year? This was the question. Very simple question. Days in September. Months are there, na? So capital. First September. Say September में कितने days होते हैं? 30. 30 September तक complete month you are going to take. Days left in October. 25th October तक आपको calculate करना है. So how many total days are there? 55. Is it correct in your notebook? Yes? Good. If no, do correction work. It was your 4th question. Now we will take question number 5. The inter-school painting competition will start at 10:30 a.m. and finish at 3:30 p.m. Find the duration of the time for inter-school painting competition. At what time it has started? 10:30 a.m. and finished at 3:30 p.m. So we have to calculate this duration, right? So start painting competition. we'll start at 10:30 a.m. Okay, and painting competition will finish at, when will it finish? 3:30 p.m. Duration of painting competition. Here also take C small. Duration of painting competition. Now we will calculate 10:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. (10:30 to 1 hour), 11:30, 12:30. 12:30 will become PM, then 1:30 PM, 2:30 PM, and then 3:30 PM. See how many hours? 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, and 1 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. कितनी देर ये कॉम्पिटिशन चला? 5 घंटे. 5 घंटे चलेगा. विल स्टार्ट होगा और 5 घंटे ये चलेगा. Got it? If your answers are correct, it's good. Otherwise, you will do correction work. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.